નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, ગુજરાત જોબ્સની યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે આરટીઓ ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર પાર્ટ 2 ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરનું આજે ડિસ્કશન કરીશું. 85. Which of the following refrigerant has the lowest freezing point? C option R22. In summer air conditioning, the air is cooled and dehumidified. On cytometric chart, sensible cooling is represented by horizontal line. The temperature of air recorded by thermometer moisture pressure in it is called dry bulb temperature. The power produced inside the cylinder of the IC engine is known as indicated power. The 4 operation suction compression exhaust working engine is completing the 2 number of resolution of the crankshaft. In petrol engine, suction consists of a mixture of air and fuel. The process of supply intake air cylinder density of surrounding atmosphere is known as supercharging. For the CI fuels, most preferred are paraffins. Octane number of isooctane is 100. Anti-knock characteristics of alcohol when compared to gasoline is higher. Major constituent of gas is methane. Small amount of gasoline is often added to alcohol fuel to improve cold weather starting. The choke is closed when the engine is cold. Fuel injector is used for CI engine. Fuel injected in the four-stroke CI engine at the end of the compression stroke. In compression ignition engine, the auto ignition of the charge causing known as at the start of the combustion. Increase the compression ratio in SI engine, knocking tendency increases. In a BCC unit cell, one atom is the contact with the following number of the NCD atoms. 8. In crystal, structural weaknesses are defect, point defect. Which of the following is not a ductile? The glass. Cup and cone fractures is observed in the fracture of the ductile material. 107. Amount of energy material can be absorbed before fractures is called the toughness. The failure that happens due to cycle loading is called a fatigue failure. Lever rules is used to compute the weight percentage of the phases in any two-phase region of the binary phase diagram. Cooling curves are plot of the following acquired during solution of matter, the temperature versus time. Interstitial solid solution of carbon in gamma ion is called Athensite. A plain carbon steel is rapidly cooled at the cool temperature, quenching its structure is called form andesite to martensite. In nodular iron, graphite is form of spheroid. Well decays is phenomenon with the stainless steel. Brass is example of substituted solution. A option is correct. Which of the following is a thermosetting polymer? The phenolic resin. Option D is correct. Which of the following is property of ceramics? The resistance to corrosion. Option C. Apart from the hydraulics, the main propellant in the engine exhaust are CO and NOx. The catalyst used in the converter for oxidizing HICOT and CO is platinum. Activity of the CAM process included numerical control programming. The CAD process is tools utilized following discipline. The option D is all of the above. One of the major exhaust emissions from CI engines compared to SI engine is particulates. Option D is correct. Option C is when the axes of the two shafts are parallel, use option D spur and helical gears. Which of the following gears are used in parallel shaft arrangement for noiseless operation? The option D helical gears. When two shafts of the different material are joined in parallel continuously, torque applied to the composite shaft is a khaljiga of the torque on the two shafts. The sum Who has to be questioned at the zebra crossing? Both. Option C. Both vehicle drivers and pedestrians. At which place can overtaking be done on one-way road? At which place a motorcycle cannot blow horn? Both A and B correct. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Overtaking cannot be done roads having a school zone and oppositional zone sign. Where is the U-turn permitted? After giving way to pedestrian and cyclist. If longitude yellow continuous line is drawn in middle of the double lane road, then the said line cannot be crossed to overtake. Which type of minimum insurance is compulsory for the vehicle? The C. Third party. What education going for driving part transport vehicle? D. Education not required. Double stop line is used exclusively at junctions controlled by stop sign. The colors of registration number plate of the transport vehicle each color. Black color on yellow background. Validity of driving school license is 5 years. It is compulsory to wear fasten seat belt for driving school instructor while imparting car driving training. Yes. For new transport vehicle, validity of certificate fitness is 2 years. What is the called gross vehicle weight? The total weight falling on the axle of the vehicle. 140. Which is the reserve light color in vehicle? White. In which type of vehicles park arrested is compulsory? C. Carrying goods of dangerous or hazardous human life. What is the fine in central government in helmet and seat belting according to the new measure? The option A is correct. What is the respective fine for the first crime and second crime of the racing entry? Trial of speed without permission in the state Gujarat. Option D is correct. What is the respective fine of the Gujarat state for the vehicle with the 3 wheels and other vehicles for not having a fitness certificate according to the new Motor Vehicle Act? Option D is correct. What is the respective fine in the Gujarat state and the first and second crime vehicle not having your insurance of the vehicle according to the new Motor Vehicle Act? Option B is correct. Heavy good vehicle means any goods carrying whose gross vehicle weight is exceeded. Option D is correct. For the which areas is validity of the private vehicle types registered in Gujarat state valid? A. Option A is correct. Good vehicle whose gross vehicle weight does not require good vehicle permit, so does not exceed 3000 kilograms. Option C is correct. In general circulation, for the how much maximum period temporary permit can be issued by state and regional transport authority? 149. Option B. 150. Vehicle with the which defect sold in market can be recalled by the manufacturer. The option A. 1. Which of the harmful to environment and harmful to the driver and seat ones? Option A is correct.